Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here from MillerBrady.com, and thank you for taking a look at my Commission Robot review. In a nutshell, Commission Robot is a brand new software that lets you build an affiliate or e-com store in just one single software that is already hosted for you. Now, what I like about this product is that because it's already done for you, it's already hosted for you, and it's really easy to put your products there. If you want to do this manually, you have to get premium hosting, you have to get plugins, you have to get Thrive architects and Thrive website builder and stuff. That will cost you more money other than this one-time product. Now, if that is something that you're interested in picking up, I'll be throwing away bonuses that will help you make more money with the product. And if you click the link down in the description, you'll be sent here on my bonus page that you will see that this bonus page, my bonuses will expire Wednesday, October 7th, and the product just launched this Monday, September 30. So I really don't want you to miss my bonuses. And if you decide to purchase a product, you just click this button here, and then you will be sent to the sales page where you will get more information. Now, we will be discussing this later on what Commission Robot is all about, the front end and the prices and upsells, and then you can also see here the demo video, right? So my bonus number one is how to get approved for your affiliate link. Now, this is the problem for most newbies, especially when I was starting out. I was struggling with how to get my affiliate links. Now, this is the best method that I found out, and when it's really new, I probably get like 90%, and I also get access to review products like this one. So I also get access to JV Doc. So this way, the tutorial I'm going to teach you here on this video is how you can get your affiliate link approved at least 90% of the time. That's my guarantee, 90% of the time, because if you don't have a sales record, it's normal for other affiliate to reject you. It's normal, right? Um, Bonus number two is make money using Instagram influencer. Now, this is a full course that will teach you how to get in contact with affiliate with influence. Now, what I like about influencer type of marketing is because influencers have the ability to persuade their following. Say they have a low of following, so whatever they promote, people will always get to see them. So this is one traffic that I really like. So this tutorial will definitely help you on Instagram. Now, my bonus number three is also for Instagram. It's called IG Bot for unlimited traffic. So this is another tutorial that will teach you how to build a software where you can use this software, a robot that will do the following for you. So it does, like, it follows people, it likes other people's content. Now, that will get people exposure on your account. Now, when they see you, they will see your links, they will see your store. So this is totally hands off. Once you set it up, you're all good. My bonus number four is how to build a buyer's list, because especially if you're building a store like this that you have products that you're going to promote in the future, it's really essential to build a buyer's list that people have bought products for you before. So they are actually there to try and purchase products. So it's really important that you have to understand that you have to build a buyer's list. And of course, you will also get access to the vendors bonuses that these are actually offered by other affiliates, but I just I want to make sure that you don't want to be missed out on this one. So all the vendors bonuses are actually, there's a tons of them. So if you can see here, if you see this page, you get all the vendors bonuses, guys. I put everything here that also is incongruent with the Commission Robot software. Well, you see here 3,500 Instagram, Facebook inspiration image, everything, guys. A lot. There's a lot of it. Probably worth around $5,000 of. I'm not kidding, guys. $5,000 worth of bonuses here from the vendor, and they're very generous on that one. So just give it time to read this, but it's a lot. It's like five pages of bonuses from the vendors. Now, so this is the dashboard. So you can see here that it's really simple. You can see here the social sharing. So you can share your stores with affiliate with your link on the Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, but then you can add more as you go on. And this is what your store looks like. If you click the store here, this will how it looks like. So you see It's really simple, plain, but then very, you can really click this out. So like this one, you can click this to make the FY. Then you get the ratings, then get instant access. You can get then access the product, and you can see here that it's really simple, and you can all the products that you've promoted in the past are all in one page. So if you just let this be like your website, then people will see, oh, what's this one, what's this. So you can still make money from products that launched way back. So that's what I really like about this product. And this is how you do it. So you go here under tab, you add your product, you put your product name, and then put on the description, put the name of the everything here. You don't have to worry about this one, because everything is provided in the sales page or in the JV page of the product, so you don't have to make everything appear. Images are also included in the sales page. You can always grab that. Product price, affiliate link, very important. Call to action, get instant access here. While then you rate the product, 1 star, 2 star, 4 star, and then you can always schedule this on the future date that you want to product in. And also you can customize the store. And very important, guys, they also included the training. So if you click here, there's also the training here. Everything is very detailed, and I really like about how they teach this in a very short time, but then it's well detailed. You don't have It's really easy to follow. Now let's go back to my bonus page here, and then we'll talk more about the commission robot. So what it's all about, it's a software that lets you create simple little affiliate store. So that's basically it. So it's a store that you can post all your products there, where people can see in the future all the products in the past, and all of them are evergreen. So meaning the price are still the same, and they're still available for purchasing, right? So, and the front end, the whole product, you get the product and the training and my bonuses, and the vendor's bonus only for $17, and it will increase every 60 minutes. So I really hope, guys, that you decide to try this out before it increase their price. I just know how the ceiling here, but then for now it's just $17. Then upsell number 1 is the unlimited edition. So this lets you upgrade unlimited affiliate stores, meaning not just one store, you can add other stores as well, and more additional trainings and features. Upgrade number 2 is the automated edition. These upgrades unlock more features such as additional account and scheduling ability for automated campaigns. So it's more of a, that's why they call it commission robot, because they now integrated this automated edition as well, only for $42. Upgrade number 3 is the 1000 daily edition. This upgrade shows you how to potentially scale up to 5,000 a day, leveraging more traffic strategies we teach inside. So this is more of a traffic tutorial. Bonus number 4 is the Reseller Edition, meaning you can you can get the entire funnel for yourself, so you can sell it as your own. Commission robot upgrade number 5 is the Luxury Edition, meaning they will customize everything for you. They will put your name here. They will do this everything that looks and feel like you. They will also set up your autoresponder, everything for you, and the price is $197. So if you don't want, if you want this to be more of your liking, then and you don't want to do this on your own, you can get the Luxury Edition. Now you can see also here the demo video. Just watch this on your time, and then you can see that anyway, I already explained everything here. So that's it, guys. So it's really cool actually, because you can just put everything here. You can put your affiliate link on your product that you did review. You can put a thumbnail here, pictures, and people will see the products here that you already promoted before. Actually, I have a website that I did, but I have to do it manually. I have to create a page. I have to create a post and then I have to drag and drop videos, then type everything. But looking at this, guys, it's really simple, and then it's really easy to for other people to see other products that they might be interested in as well. So this is it, guys. So this is my review for Commission Robot. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I always reply to comments, and also you can, if you have found value, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, you can also subscribe on the button down below. Alright, guys, so Miller Brady here. Thank you for watching my video. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.